Hello everyone, long time no see through video. A lot has happened during this period. Work has been crazy busy, and actually I successfully transitioned to my new fourth job recently. Reflecting on this job change, I've pondered a lot about what holds the most value in my life. What do you consider the most valuable in your life? My theme for the new year 2024 is becoming the source of light. And reuniting with Luisa, with whom I've partnered for several events over a long period, I feel like we can start a more sparkling year together. You might be familiar with this jewelry, created with environmental considerations. They are carbon neutral and climate neutral certified. Starting at only $39, you can purchase high quality, beautiful, and eco-friendly jewelry. Wearing the scarf and new shoes my husband gifted me for Christmas. We went on a date before I started at the new company. Exploring beautiful and enhancing places together. Living each day healthily. Savoring delicious food. And sharing laughter. These things may seem obvious, but they are not guaranteed. Knowing that increases gratitude and happiness. For Valentine's Day, if you buy one through the link below, you get the second one at a 50% discount, and using my code you get an additional 20% off. How about gifting something special to your loved ones? See you soon.